Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, you guys, I will be sharing I have a package here from this company called MonGoose. They sell jewelry, you guys, and they wanted me to reach out to you guys as well to see if you are interested. And you guys, let's just get into unboxing this packaging. Like, let go. They come in this little cute little teal turquoise little packaging, and then you have a thank you sticker at the bottom, which is so super cute. But you guys, let's just jump right into this packaging. Yeah, I'm excited. And you guys, customer service was very nice. They was very sweet. So you guys, I got a piece of candy, which always is a plus. It's candy girl. And you guys, I did get a card describing the pieces that I received. The piece that I received. Oh, look how cute is this. And it comes in this little envelope. That's super cute. With their logo on it. Plus, you guys, the piece once I open it. Super cute packaging. And you guys, you can get 3 pieces for only $15.99 a month. If you like really into jewelry, y'all, you guys, I used to always love jewelry anyway. If it's real, fake, I was just like always into jewelry. And they sent this little thank you card. If you guys can see it. So they sent this little thank you card, you guys. Super cute. And with their Instagram and stuff on it. And it says, thank you for supporting a woman and mom-owned small business. It says, yay, it's here. Be sure to share photos, videos, their Instagram, and all that stuff on it. And she asked me, which she was so sweet. She asked me would I prefer gold, silver, rose gold. And of course, guys, I love gold. Even though I have silver, but I love gold. And it's on here. It's super cute. It got the little tag. It says, spend $40 on any individual items on our line to receive your next free box. So yes, it is a women's own business, and that moms like super cute. Oh, you guys, I got the earrings too, which I needed some. Oh, I thought I had 1 piece, you guys. So I got 3 different pieces. So like I said, they do send you 3 pieces. I just thought I was reviewing 1. I did not know that she was going to send me all 3 pieces. So you guys, first I got the earrings. These are the earrings. They have it well packaged, you guys. I'm glad I had these scissors handy, so you don't have to worry about your stuff getting all messed up. Look at these earrings. Very good quality, guys. No lie. No gap. Wait, let me just put this on. I didn't have no earrings on anyway, guys. I know I'm gonna be super tacky. But, oh well. Silver and gold. You guys, these earrings is perfect for this style I got in my head anyway. So yeah. Now let's see what the second one is. This is pretty. This is a necklace, you guys. Oh, look at that. And they got that little symbol. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, do not mind my ashy hands. But this is so cute. Yeah, I gotta put this on now. So cute, you guys. Okay, and then this is the last one. This is their summer collection. How pretty is that, you guys? And you guys, I love to double up my charms anyway, so I'm super excited. They sent me two. I mean, my necklaces. Super cute. I gotta bring it up a little bit, you guys, so you guys can see it. You guys, this is so cute. And guys, look, this is cute. I really like it. Like, I really like it. Thanks so much for sending this. And you guys, I do have a coupon code for you guys as well. If you want to check them out, it's only $15.99 a month, and then yeah, they give you 3 pieces of jewelry. And when I tell you it's good quality, I can really see that this will last a long time, you guys. Love it. It's super cute. Oh. Check them out, you guys. You won't be mad. Check them out, you guys, and you definitely won't regret it. Good quality jewelry. A mom-owned business. All women's business, you guys, and it's a story behind it. I will leave everything down in the description box as well, so you guys don't forget to check them out. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.